guys, doing a voiceover for this video because I really wanted to talk and ride and just tell you, some reasons why I and most other people ride a motorcycle. And I knew why in my head, but I have trouble getting my ideas out of my head and vocalizing them. Something that I struggle with and I'm trying to get better at. So I just put into Google, why do we ride motorcycles? And here's what Google AI come up with. So I'm just gonna read it. I've read it through. It's pretty much, some of the things is for the reason why I do, and I guess why a lot of other people do. So here it goes. People ride motorcycles for a combination of freedom, thrill, mental clarity, and practical efficiency. It offers a unique escape from daily stress, creating a meditative state of high focus while providing a profound sense of community, adrenaline, and direct connection to the environment that driving a car cannot match. I just want to say that's so true, because when I ride, I do it just to chill and also just to think. Like, I just feel like the roar of the engine, the breathe, me breathing through the helmet and stuff, it puts me in a meditative state as like I said before, and I'm able just to think about how my week has been, how my day is going, what I want to achieve for the next week, and it's a beautiful thing. Some other key reasons are sense of freedom and escape. Riding offers an unmatched feeling of autonomy with the open road and wind, providing a mental escape from the pressures of daily life. That does for some people, not really for me, because I don't really have that much pressures, and if I was having a bad day I wouldn't ride anyway, because I feel when you're not thinking straight, that's when bad things can happen. Once again, that's my opinion for myself, not anyone else's. If you're having a rough day and you go for a burn, then more power to you. Adrenaline and thrill. The acceleration and physical connection to the machine provide a cheap thrill and an intermediate rush of endorphins. Another thing that I really like, the acceleration, the noise of the motor, you're in sync with your bike, which, the physical connection. Cheap thrill, I don't think it's a cheap thrill. It is a rush of endorphins if you're swerving through some traffic. Mental clarity and mindfulness. Because riding requires intense, constant focus, it serves as a form of meditation that relieves stress and clears the mind. So true. I feel that's like rolling into the sense of freedom and escape. Connection to the environment. Riders are directly exposed to the elements, feeling temperature changes, smelling surroundings, and experiencing the road intimately. Very, very true. There's nothing like cruising down the beach or down the coast, or even through like a forest, some woods. It's just beautiful. Community and brotherhood. Motorcycling provides a sense of belonging to a large, welcoming community that offers friendship and shared adventures. Yes, it does. I ride sort of 90% of the time by myself, because that's sort of how I am. I just like my own company, and I don't have to follow anyone. I just cruise at my own pace. If I want to stop somewhere, I do. If I want to keep going, I keep going. I have a few friends that ride in groups and stuff. I'm not opposed to riding in groups, but I can see where, the sense of community and friendship comes there. Practicality and efficiency. Motorcycles are often more affordable to use than cars, offer better fuel economy and allow for easier navigation through the traffic. Indeed they do. If you're in a built-up city area, you got a little bike or even a big bike, you want to cruise around, park it easy, magnificent. Skill improvement. The need for constant vigilance and precise control creates a rewarding ongoing challenge that sharpens focus and improves situational awareness. Yeah, well, I didn't think of that. That's like a valid point. Thanks anyway for listening. I'll let you get back to like the video, listening to the the sound of my bike. I really appreciate you watching this. Once again, this is the reason why I ride a motorcycle, why a lot of other people ride a motorcycle. So thanks for watching, and I hope you come back to watch another video.